What up, people? It's your boy Enigma, aka Pano with Senses, and today I got to review another Bakugan I really like. Here it is. Bakugan. This one is called crackanoid. I got pronounce that right. He's the aquas Bakugan. Quarter size, I believe. Quarterly. This is what it looks like. So, sort of, he looks like. And of course, it comes with one big card, one character card, two back cards, and one back. And some of the others that are there, Ninjatron and Jetar. I was going with the Behemoths, but he sold out apparently. So yeah, now I have my third one from this on. Anyway, let's open him up and see what we got. We're back, guys, and the two back cores we got today are DNA core and a fist core. This one goes initial fit 150 power for this one, and this one goes additional 600 Bs. And now just check out the character card. 300 Gs. Can't say this is point. Can't say it's not either. Plus 500 basically. And finally, the gay card. So we got 300 Pirates, 100 Aquas, 300 Ventus, 600 Chaos, 200 Subterra, and 100 Dragons. Now I'll put the gay card down, and let's see the roll. Come on. Something. Let's see. Well, good now. Now let's look at him. That is him. Now I'm gonna pick him up just to see if we can find the power level. There it is, 300 bees. Now for the fun part, closing out. So we'll just close this down. There. And yeah. Overall, I give him like a lot of props, and since he is a aquas, let's put him in this blue lighting, I believe. Sort of a little purple, but this is now his aquas thing. So yeah, overall, that's a good thing. And just a refresher on the backgrounds I've collected so far. We've got aquas. And of course, we also have a couple others, like the one and only I would be recognized this guy from one of my earlier reviews. Darkest. And last but not least, Pirates. So yeah, overall, I got Pirates, Aquas, and Darts. And certainly I had the culture others. I didn't have time to do it. But yeah, overall, that's all. So remember, keep your imagination active, your toys to play with, and remember how the jokes. I'll see you next time. And remember to smash that remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and smash that like and subscribe button. Alright, guys, bye.